Welcome back, ladies and gentlemen. Today I'm going to be sowing Catananche. This is a hardy perennial and it's 24 inches high, 60 centimetres, and it's got a lovely cornflower look to it. So first of all, compost. I'm using a peat based multi-purpose compost that's got, it says up to 6 weeks worth of seed already mixed in with it. So this has already been in the microwave to sterilise it, which I do with all my compost that I use to sow seed with now, just to stop any bacteria and cut down on the chance of getting like rot and them damping off. So once that's in, a little block of wood into each corner, gently tap it down like so. Once you've got it tapped down and even, get your seeds ready. So here we go. I always cut them open from the bottom because then they're easier to reseal if you don't use all the seeds, which I probably will use all these seeds because there's only 40 in there. So here we go, let's have a look at them. There. Can you see them? Focus, that's it. So just try and spread them evenly all over, and then you just want to cover them with like 3 to 5 millimeters of compost, and then just give them water. So right, gentle covering. Just try, and when you're covering it, just try and scrunch it between your fingers, get it as fine as you can. You don't want big massive blobs over it. And then it wants putting in the sink, water on the bottom, and then a top one, and put on a nice warm windowsill. So that is sowing Catananche from Wilco, 75 pence. It's a hardy perennial. Any questions, don't hesitate to ask. If you like my videos, please give me a thumbs up, and please subscribe. Thank you, bye.